Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're diving into the world of super-automatic espresso machines today. I've been checking out the DeLonghi Eletta, right? It's model number ECAM44660B.
And I've been geeking out on the Terra Kaffe TK02. Both promise barista quality coffee at home, but they approach it from different angles.
Okay, let's compare. What's the first thing that jumps out at you? The DeLonghi boasts a patented automatic cappuccino system, the Latte Crema system. It delivers those tasty milk drinks in under 3 minutes. And it even has a milk jug included. Plus, it can use beans or ground coffee.
That's convenient. The Terra Kaffe also froths milk, and it works with any kind of milk, dairy, or plant-based. Plus, it has a milk carafe and advertises that it is great for Valentine's gifts.
The DeLonghi can brew 2 cups at once, which is great for when you have guests, but it looks like it is only available renewed.
The Terra Kaffe focuses on customization. It claims over 100,000 drink combinations. That's wild. It uses a hybrid brew unit to make both drip coffee and espresso. And it has smart tech. Every drink you make saves to your account for easy access on any machine. It also has roaster-approved espresso settings that you can access by scanning a QR code.
The DeLonghi has 13 adjustable grinding settings and electronic temperature control, which I think is pretty standard for these types of machines. It also has a 15-bar pump.
The Terra Kaffe has something called roaster-approved espresso settings. You scan a QR code from certain coffee purchases, and it adjusts the machine automatically. It uses a 48mm conical burr grinder. It also does drip coffee, not just espresso, which is a nice bonus. Does not work with pod-based pre-ground coffee.
Sounds fancy. The DeLonghi is easy to clean with automatic cleaning programs. Dishwasher safe parts are a plus too. It has descaling, cleaning, and rinsing programs.
The Terra Kaffe has automatic wake and sleep times, so you can wake up to fresh coffee. That's pretty cool. Plus, it's app-enabled, so you can control it from your phone.
One important thing to note is that the DeLonghi is sold as renewed, which means it's been inspected and tested to work like new. It weighs about 24 pounds.
The Terra Kaffe is brand new, and it has app-enabled features for control and monitoring. It's a bit heavier, at 29.5 pounds, and the water tank holds 75 fluid ounces.
The DeLonghi is a bit smaller, dimension-wise, at 14.16 dx 10.2, wx 18.36h, so it might fit better on some countertops.
The Terra Kaffe is app-enabled, and it also has a larger water tank capacity. It is 17.5 dx 10.4 inches, wx 14.3h. Ultimately, it depends on what you're looking for. Ease of use and a potentially lower price with the DeLonghi, or smart features and more customization with the Terra Kaffe.
Yeah, it comes down to priorities and budget, really. Plus, are you okay with a renewed machine versus a brand new one? That's a big factor. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.